The intermediate value theorem says if f is a real valued function that is continuous on the closed interval from a to b, and k, which is a real number, is between f of a and f of b, then there exists a c in the open interval from a to b such that f of c is equal to k. Which means that if your function is continuous and goes all the way from f of a to f of b, then it must pass through every value of f between those two. And I've got a nice little picture that can illustrate how this works. Here is a y-axis, and here's an x-axis, and here's a point A on the x-axis, and here's a point B on the x-axis, and let's say that this is f of A, and this is f of B. Then my function has to pass through this point, and also this point. And let's pick a value k somewhere between f of A and f of B. The theorem says there must be a c so that my function value comes out to k. So let's draw our function. So, it doesn't matter what my function looks like. It could look like this, it could look like this, it could look like this. No matter how I arrange that function, it must cross that pink line. It could cross it more than once, it could cross it only once, but it has to cross it somewhere because the string goes from here to here. It must cross the line somewhere. And the places it crosses, they're my options for the value c. I've got all these possibilities for what c could be. That's the intermediate value theorem.